So one of the first questions we have are, what are the safety concerns associated with flash steam in open condensate system? So if you look at flash steam management, there are two things which I would say that. One is to really look at how are you separating the flash steam which is coming out of an equipment. So the equipment is supposed to be a flash separation vessel. Many companies will define it as a flash vessel. Mm-hmm. So this flash separation vessel has to have certain prerequisites. It should have a pressure gauge. Right. It should have a safety valve, which actually is set to the standards at which this vessel is designed. Right. Otherwise, it cannot so happen that you would have live steam which is coming from the circuit hitting this vessel. Then it certainly becomes a very serious hazard. But if you have a safety valve sitting on such a flash separation vessel, you are trying to at least address the concern that even if there is something which is disruptive happening on the upstream of the equipment, by which, let's say, a steam trap fails and you will have the live steam going across the equipment to the flash separation vessel, the pressurization of the vessel will not be beyond the safety valve set pressure. Mm-hmm. Which will then ensure that the design limitation of this vessel is well protected. So that's something which is very crucial when you look at flash management on one hand and condensate recovery. One of the things the second point which I would say is that if you look at flash vessels, you should look at using the flash steam at the closest point where you are generating this flash steam. You should also look at opportunities by which you can even boost this pressure using Thermo-Compression as a technology to see that you can utilize the best possible energy by generating flash at the lowest possible pressure. Because if you look at this whole energy footprint, then flash separation at the lowest possible pressure gives you the highest quantity or mass of flash steam. So these are very important, crucial facets when you trying to look at an open condensate system getting converted into a closed condensate management system, where you look at flash steam separation first and utilization of flash steam, and then you look at how you will handle the hot water, which is condensate at a lower temperature when the flash is separated. Okay, that's an interesting way to look at it. I mean, using it closest to the point of generation makes a lot of sense. You will reduce a lot of wastage in just transporting that flash steam. Yes. Yeah. So that's an interesting way.